welcome back to my channel. On this channel, we talk about live streaming opportunities, Christian and inspirational content. In today's video, we are going to be learning how to do exchange on Poppo Live. As we all know, Poppo Live is a global live streaming and networking app where people watch creators go live themselves, send and receive gifts from viewers. Today, we are going to be learning how to do exchange without mistakes, which is very common on the app. The first thing you have to do after creating your account is to buy coins. And after buying coins, you do exchange. Now, how do you do exchange? As a newbie, you do exchange, or why do you do exchange? As a newbie, you do exchange to maintain your level or to maintain the first 7 days you're entering the app, to maintain your earning. Do you understand? Or to retain your earning. Then as a host, you do exchange in order to level up. Okay, so you can refer to my video on the common mistakes to avoid as a newbie. And if you are a host, you want to learn about how to level up, you can type the message on the comment section. You can just write level up, then I will it will be noted. Okay, now how do you do exchange without making mistakes? The first thing you have to do when you enter a panel, you tap on the person you want to exchange with. Tap on the person. Now when you tap on the person, you will see below your in your screen, or below it, you're going to see give gifts. Okay, so you tap on give gifts. Now you're going to see list of gifts. As you have entered there, so many things have been highlighted for you, including the person that you're going to send the gift directly to. Okay, so you tap on the gift you want to exchange. If it's 500, if it's 1000, whichever one, you can see hi 500, coffee 500, then ice cream 1000, and the rest of it, cheers 3000. Okay, so you tap on the gift that you want to send. It will be highlighted for you. Then below it, you're going to see send button. You're going to tap on send button. Okay, then the gift will be sent immediately. Okay, so that's all, very simple on how to do exchange. Please don't double tap the send button to avoid sending to the person twice. It's not a crime. It's not that the person will not return it, but what if the person does not have that coin at that particular time? You see, your exchange will be delayed. So avoid double tapping the send button, okay, so that you not have any problem. Then secondly, please don't go directly to through the gift box, because if you go directly through the gift box, the person you are going to send the gift to will not be highlighted, and you may end up sending it to the wrong person, which is very common on the app. Okay, so that's how to do exchange on Poppo Live without any mistake. Okay, so that'll be the end of the video. If you have any question, please type it on the comment section and I'll be glad to answer you. And if you want to join the app, my link on the description box, so that you can, from my ID, you can register. Okay, my Poppo Life ID is 70505997, and my agency ID is OBY underscore IYKE. So I'll be glad to receive you in my panel. Okay, so that'll be the end. Thank you so much. If you find the video interesting or helpful, please do well to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of my uploads. Thank you and have a beautiful day. Bye for now.